Okay, for Contemporary Math 5D, this is going to be a little different. I'm just going to show you the bulleted items that I want you to look at in this section. The first example of graphs that I want you to look at is on page 333. So basically, you're going to be reading these pages and looking at these graphs. So I'm going to stick it there for a minute so you can write down everything I want you to do or look at or read. This is a point that I'd really like you to make sure you go over a little bit. Even well-made graphs can be misleading, and poorly made graphs are almost always misleading. So I want you to look at these things. Page 342 has an example of a graph with perceptual distortions. There's axes that exaggerate nonlinear scales. There's an example on page 343. Percent change graphs are usually misleading a lot. Page 344. And then pictographs on page 345. Make sure you read that section pretty well and look at the examples they give you so you can start getting a better idea of how graphs can present misleading results. Your assignment after you read this section is the quick quiz 5D on page 345.